In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Tasks. Google doesn't offer a simple export button in the Tasks app, but there are two reliable ways to get your data out. I'll start with the official method using Google Takeout, then show you a practical spreadsheet workaround, and I'll explain exactly what you'll receive. First, the official route with Google Takeout. Open your browser and go to takeout.google.com. To avoid exporting everything from your Google account, click Deselect All. Then scroll down until you find Tasks and check that box. When that's selected, scroll to the bottom and choose Next Step. Now set your export options. For file type, zip is the easiest for most computers. For delivery method, choose the email link so you'll receive a message when your export is ready. Click Create Export. If you have many tasks, Google may take a little time to prepare the file. When you get the email, follow the link to download the archive to your computer. It will arrive as a zip file, which you can unzip to access the contents. Inside, you'll find your Google Tasks data in JSON format. That file contains your task titles, due dates, completion status, and timestamps, organized by task lists. JSON is a structured text format that's perfect for analysis or conversion. You can open it in a text editor or a JSON viewer to read it, and if you need a spreadsheet later, you can convert the JSON to CSV using a converter or script of your choice. This is the cleanest and most complete backup. If you prefer working directly in a spreadsheet, there's a workaround with Google Sheets. One option is to use a Google Sheets add-on designed to import tasks. With an add-on, you can pull your tasks into a sheet and then export that sheet as Excel or CSV. As with any add-on, review the permissions and vendor reputation before installing. A second option is purely manual. Open Google Tasks in full screen to make everything easier to see. Select all tasks using Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac and copy. Then paste the list into Google Docs or Excel. This is quick for a rough list, but it won't include all the metadata you get from Takeout, and you may need to tidy up formatting. A few limitations to keep in mind. There's no direct export to CSV or Excel button inside Google Tasks, and no one-click export in the app. Google Takeout remains the only official end-to-end method. That's it. Use Takeout for a complete, reliable archive, and use the spreadsheet approach when you just need a fast, lightweight list.